Good morning. You're inquiring about rolling over superannuation from your previous employer. Can I have your account number?
係1234567我最近轉咗工，而家有2個退休金戶口，我想將佢哋合併成一個。
Having multiple super accounts means paying duplicate fees, which eats into your balance. Consolidating is a smart decision. Do you know the fund name and number for the old account?
我知道我之前公司嘅名，但係唔知道個基金名。
You can search for Lost Super through your MyGov account. The ATO keeps records of all super accounts. With your TFN, it will show everything.
「喺合併之前，有冇咩嘢我應該檢查啊？」
Yes, a few important things. Check whether the old fund has any insurance attached. Consolidating could cancel that insurance. Also compare fees and investment performance to decide which fund to keep.
「我唔知道我透過佢有冇保險，我點樣查啊？」
Check the latest annual statement from the old fund, or call them directly. Many funds automatically combine when there's only one employer contributing.
「好嘅資訊，我會先檢查，然後先進行轉移。」
One more thing, consider your investment options. If you're young, a growth option suits you. If you're closer to retirement, a balanced or conservative option is more appropriate. What option are you currently on?
我唔知道，我從來冇查過。我返到屋企會研究下兩個基金，然後再聯絡你。